Contemporary Arctic tribes have a complex and nuanced view of Fridtjof Nansen and his exploration of their land. Positive views. Pioneer and innovator. Nansen's reputation as a pioneer is well established in historical accounts. His successful crossings of Greenland and the Arctic Ocean established him as a leading figure in polar exploration, inspiring future generations of explorers like Roald Amundsen. Respect for traditional knowledge. While acknowledging the complexities of colonial interactions, some Inuit communities recognize Nansen's documented efforts to learn from their traditional knowledge. His writings, like Farthest North, highlight his observations of Inuit hunting techniques, clothing, and survival skills, suggesting a degree of respect for their expertise. Catalyst for change. While the impact of Nansen's exploration on raising awareness of Arctic communities is debatable, his expeditions undeniably brought international attention to the region. This could have potentially influenced future policies and discussions regarding the Arctic, although the specific impact remains a topic of ongoing research. Negative views. Colonial perspective. Critics, including scholars like Ken Harper, point out the Eurocentric lens through which Nansen viewed the Arctic. His descriptions of the region and its people can be seen as reinforcing colonial stereotypes of unspoiled or savage landscapes and cultures. Environmental impact. Nansen's dependence on large-scale expeditions with numerous dogs and support teams likely had an environmental impact on the Arctic ecosystem. The specific details and long-term consequences of this remain a subject of ongoing research and debate among historians and environmental scientists. Exploitation and disruption. While it's difficult to find direct evidence of intentional exploitation by Nansen, some argue that his arrival, even with seemingly respectful intentions, could have disrupted the traditional way of life in some communities. This highlights the complex and often unintended consequences of outside contact with indigenous cultures. It's important to note that these are broad viewpoints based on existing research and interpretations. Within the diverse Arctic communities, individual tribes and people likely hold varying perspectives on Nansen and his legacy, influenced by personal experiences, historical contexts,